everyone, it's Lisa, and today is Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday, and John actually had to go into work for a little while today, and Brooke's not here. She spent the night with a friend. Will is still sleeping. It's in the morning, and so I thought I would do like my little Sunday update video. And last night I picked up a Walmart order. They asked me to partner with them. I chose everything and paid for it myself. I was excited to do it because there's new stuff on the website, and so I ordered it, I think Thursday night, and had picked it up yesterday. That's how quick it got to the store. It was like 2 big boxes and a big bag of stuff. And like I've told you, I am not really trying to buy a lot of extra winter stuff right now. I am interested in either spring, summer, or transitional pieces. I took a picture of her before I started this video that I will put at the end. But when I start talking, she wants to come up here with me to catch up on a few things and do a little update. One, this is funny. I did my hair last night, and I was going to do it in those Hollywood curls, and we're going to like a Super Bowl party tonight, just a casual one. But I thought I'm going to do those curls because John and Brooke both like it when I do that. And so I started out doing my curls all the way around. Didn't realize till I got about right here that I did them the wrong way. The big part of your hair, or the heaviest side of your part, is supposed to be the one that goes back, and then it comes around, and this one is supposed to go forward. But because I switched my part, I forgot, and so I did it wrong. But can you tell? I figured it wasn't. By the time I got there, I thought there is no way I'm going to try to recurl all that hair and do that damage again, so I figured it wouldn't matter. But I just thought it was funny. Another thing is, I did put on the tinted sunscreen, but I did not even try to hide like these 2 little spots that she froze on my chest. I didn't want to just put a lot of makeup and stuff on those. But for those of you that may be watching this for the first time, I had a V-beam for redness done on Thursday, January 30th. And this is February 2nd. It's Groundhog Day. It's going to be early spring. And anyway, so I have those 2 spots that she actually froze. And then my chest has been V-beamed, my neck, and my face. So my face, I'm gonna pull you in. You can see my face is still swollen, and it's not quite as swollen as yesterday and Friday, of course. It's not as lumpy, but it is still swollen. You can tell by how, if you measure, think back to my nose is usually really bony and thin, and so this is still a little swollen. It's itching too. I can tell it's healing, but I had no bruising, no redness, anything, just the swelling. And but what you can tell is, and I thought this was a good little lesson for me to just be able to show you. A lot of times you'll think, as we get older, you know, we lose volume, especially after we have babies. I think that is when I saw the biggest change in my body and my face, and as far as where we have fat and where we don't. And so a lot of times you think, you know, you'll see people put filler in their cheeks. Okay, because my cheeks are swollen, it's kind of mimicking that same thing. Notice how it has made my under eyes darker. You can really see it on my Friday video. So be careful, don't do that. I think you'd be better off, I don't know, be better off getting it further back in your face if you're gonna do it, or not getting it at all. I think a lot of people get that filler in their cheeks, and then it gives them almost like that shelf right there. And so I just wanted to be able to show you, now that I do have that, you know, swelling in my cheeks, what it does. So I just don't think it looks good. It's part of what, yesterday when I was taking pictures, it was like I noticed it in every selfie that, you know, I had that kind of like indentation right there. So I'm going to start off with my favorite thing that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to stand up. I changed the settings on my camera, so I'm hoping that I get good pictures, and I'm going to do a couple other things too, just in case I need to put something else in here in case it messes up. So I'll be right back with my first outfit. Here is my first and my favorite outfit. I've got one pair of jeans too that I really, really love. I tried on all this stuff last night with John, and both of us could not believe how pretty this little slip dress is. And it is just, I think it is the prettiest print. I don't know, I just feel like it's so romantic or whatever. It's very Valentine-y, but just, it's a great, you guys know I love slip dresses. I've probably bought 30 to 40 slip dresses here in the last couple of years or in my life. And this is a really nice one. It's got the like double padding like right up here if you didn't want to wear a bra. I'm actually just wearing one of the little No Boundaries ones from Walmart. And this is from the brand Scoop, and it's a medium, 8 to 10. And let's see, it's longer. I got 2 pair of shoes, 2 pair of sandals, and these are great transition sandals because they're suede. So, you know, they're a little bit more fall. I can wear them in the winter here where I live, and then you could carry them right into the spring, and I think really you could wear them all summer long. But if you wanted to, you could easily wear a high boot with this dress. I like it better with the sandals, especially because it comes all the way down to the ankle. And then for a jacket, I was thinking you could easily put on, this is just an old one that I have, it's very old, it's probably my oldest one. And then you could put on your Moto Jacket. So, just so pretty. And it's just not too clingy, but it's not too big, just really pretty. And I believe you can also, I will link them down below, but I'm pretty sure you can get a skirt, the slip skirt, and a top like this too if you didn't want to go for the full dress. But I just think it's beautiful and I love it. This was one of the first things that I saw and ordered. So this next outfit is this good, just real basic shaker sweater. I remember wearing these in my 20s. And what I love about this one, it's available in a lot of colors, but I loved how this one was a nude color. It just, let me put it up against my face. So it will go with so many different things. I think it would look great with just, of course, like I've got it on now with jeans, but I think it would look good over dresses. I think it would look good with leggings. I think it would even look good with, like, if you want to do the athletic wear type or athleisure, I would easily put this on with black yoga pants. And so I loved this color. That is the main thing. And I love how it's not, it's like a little bit crop, but it doesn't have a band. I've always liked this with shorts too. If you're someone lucky enough that you can wear like jean shorts, this is perfect to transition into wearing shorts. And then these jeans, you guys, are so good. When I opened them, I was like, oh my gosh, I hope these fit. They are the Scoop Carpenter jeans, and I got size 8. And they've got like this little carpenter tag, which isn't too much, so I don't think it really widens you. And they are the wide leg. They come up pretty high. They're like right here at my belly button. And I just think that they are fabulous. They are just so soft and comfortable. Let me turn around so you can see the back. I love the color. And then these shoes too are Scoop. And they come in, I believe they come in black and nude. I'm not for sure, but I will let you know down below. But I loved this brown color. I already have something like this in black. They are padded and just so comfortable. And I would love these jeans probably even more with a tighter top and then a pair of heels. So I'm gonna switch something out and then come right back. Next thing, along with the same jeans, is this t-shirt. It's the Scoop Stay in the Rainbow tee. And this is definitely available in several colors, but I have learned that I love like an off-white or a natural color t-shirt. I just love the way it looks with black. I love the way it looks with jeans. And so when I saw this color, I just loved it. I think it's gonna look so pretty like underneath jackets or blazers, especially like a white one. I think it would really look pretty. And so these are the same jeans. Just put on a little pair of nude sandals that don't have the ankle strap. You could easily wear them with flip-flops or something. I just wanted to show you these jeans again, just how cute they are. And they're this is like a generous cut. Like I could tuck a sweater into these jeans. They're a good size 8, and they are stretchy and soft. They're not like that hard, you know, like they feel like they're broken in already, like you've already worn them a few times. And I think they're just perfect for someone who might want a casual, cool looking pair of jeans, and they're not too ripped up and they're not too faded. And oh, I see it's got this in the back too. That's so cute. Okay, it comes around, and I just like them. I think the butt looks good. They're good for us girls that have, you know, hips and legs, thick thighs. What is it? Thick thighs save lives. So I just love this. I love both of it. And both of these are scoop. So this is the last outfit, and all the tags, if I put them all down here, I get them confused. But yes, it's scoop, and is it size medium? And I love it. It's a similar sweater to the shaker knit, but it's, you know, like this smoother design. It's still, I just think it's so pretty. It has a great neckline. It's a pretty deep V, but not too deep. It's soft. It's not scratchy or too acrylic-y feeling at all. And it's got a good waistline. You know what I mean? Just like a good straight down waistline. And then these jeans, I'm not gonna lie, they're called the Sailor Skinny. When I pulled these out of the box, John and I were in the kitchen, I thought, these are not gonna work. I thought, I just hope that they're stretchy, and they are. They're very stretchy, but here, let me put them on with, I'll put them on with these shoes. I'll go ahead and show you these close up too. These are not scoop, these are Time and True. I'm pretty sure these were like less than $20. They've got a great like padded insole, and they're like rubbery on the bottom. These would be great if you want kind of a fancy shoe to work in, because they're gonna give you more like that shock resistant, you know what I mean? It looks like wood, but it's not. These are just really cool. Here we are with the shoes, and let me look in the mirror real quick and see. Yes, that is not, gosh, they actually look better with the shoes like this than they did. I had on just my little UGG slip-ons earlier, and they didn't look that good, but they look better with this. And it's just faux pockets, so you don't have any bulk. And let's see, you've got pockets here in the back, plenty long, but they're not high-rise. I would say that they are probably mid-rise. And then, hello, Chanel. You gonna get to me? You gonna get to me if it kills you? Yes, I know. I know you love Mama, don't you? Yes. Okay. Goodness. All right, none of that, none of that. Even bad attention is attention, right? So I think this concludes my little Walmart shopping spree. I'll be right back to show you. I think I'm gonna show you the other pair of shoes up close too. I'm just gonna end with this. You guys know both of these necklaces are from Walmart. I got them probably, gosh, what, a month or so ago. I have really enjoyed them. They are real gold, but they're still very inexpensive to be real gold. I never take this one off. And so I wanted to show you these shoes again, close up, so you could see them. These are the Scoop. The other ones I have on now are the Time and True, and these are Scoop. And I just thought those were cute. They're good to go with a lot of different things. I thought both of these shoes you could wear to work, or you could wear out. They're both really comfortable. They have good heels and inexpensive. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Walmart for asking me to do this. This is one of my favorite videos to do. I have so much fun with it. And I will see you guys real soon. Bye-bye.